Hi guys, in this video I show you how to make a dropdown for your menu in Wix Studio. First, open your website in the Wix Studio editor. Then click on your menu. I'm gonna drag and drop my menu to this place because here I can show you better. Then click on Manage Menu. After this, click on Add Item and select Dropdown. You can rename the dropdown, for example, Menu. Then all you need to do is clicking on the menu items, holding and then dragging to the right until it's snapping, as you can see here. Do it with all the menu items and then click on Edit. Click on the drop-down section and then click on Change Layout. Toggle on Edit this drop-down only. Change the number of the columns, space between items and everything you can see on this window. Also the direction or alignment. Then you can also add a background color if you want or need. Because my website is very dark and black, I'm gonna change the text color to white, so it's better for visibility. Of course, you can change the size of the text, also from the drop-down text, and in the end just click on preview to see how it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.